From last 50 years, ASI has become a handmaiden of Hindutva ideology. Whether they will ensure that ASI works according to the cause of our constitution, that is secularism and pluralism. Speaker, sir, out of a sanctioned strength of 15,276, there are 6,516 vacancies in Ministry of Culture, attached offices and autonomous organizations. And it must be remembered that this government has been in power for the last 11 years. Sir, my first supplement to the Honourable Minister is, with over 67 vacancies in conservation branch and significant shortfalls across key divisions like archaeology and epigraphy, how does the Ministry assure this House that centrally protected monuments are being adequately maintained and preserved? What specific measures are being taken to address the impact of these shortages on research, heritage, management, routine conservation? The reason I ask this question, sir, that CAG report of 2013 highlighted 92 untraceable monuments. In 21, they have accepted 24 remain missing alongside 501 untraceable objects in anthropology section. Why has the government failed to prioritize filling critical ASIs? And does he know that there are water leaks, cracks, vegetation growth on Taj Mahal? How do you justify your failure to ensure proper upkeep even for India's most iconic monuments? And does he have the manpower in ASI to protect Taj Mahal and the beautiful Charminar? Second supplementary is, has the Ministry considered the Standing Committee recommendation to develop a dedicated management cadre within ASI for daily administration of centrally protected monuments, including visitor management and executive measures? Do you have any plans to bifurcation of ASI into two wings, one focus on exploration, excavation and conservation, and other handling revenue generating activities? Sir, lastly, the National Research Laboratory for Conservation of Cultural Property is operating only at 24% of sanctioned strength with 25 employees against 103 sanctioned posts. Is it not true that it impacts the Ministry's critical research, preservation, restoration? And lastly, what steps is this government taking to ensure that the ASI is detoxified? Because from last 50 years, ASI has become a handmaiden of Hindutva ideology. Whether they will ensure that ASI works according to the cause of our constitution, that is secularism and pluralism.